So it is time to pack for your cruise. You pull out your suitcase and you fill it up with everything you think you're gonna need for your vacation. But do you really need it all? Or have you just overpacked? Let's talk about it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Before we get started, I do encourage you to please hit that subscribe button. Join our cruising community, help our channel grow. It is free to do so and allows us to continue bringing you cruising content. So unless you are normally a light packer, chances are pretty good that of everything you've just put in your suitcase, you can take about half of it right back out because you're not going to use it. First thing to remember is the storage space in a cruise cabin is not always ample. You get a small closet and a few drawers, and that is to share with everybody that is staying in your cruise cabin. So only pack items that you know you're actually going to use. If you pull something out of your closet that you've never worn or you almost never wear because it's not a regular comfortable item you enjoy, and you stick it in your suitcase, you really have to ask yourself, are you gonna wear it on the cruise? Are you actually gonna use it? Chances are you're not. Take it right back out. Now, most cruise ships do offer laundry service where you can turn it in, they'll clean it for you and bring it back. And some cruise ships actually have self-service laundry rooms where you can go down and wash a load of laundry. Cruises are mostly casual attire. So you're gonna wanna wear comfortable clothes, take comfortable clothes, definitely take comfortable shoes. You are going to do a lot of walking. Don't take your brand new shoes that you have not broke in, only to find out that you're walking 5, 6, 7 miles a day. Cruise ships are way bigger than you think, and have your feet just miserable. And you're also gonna want a formal outfit if you plan on attending formal night. But do check with your cruise line's website for any specific dress code requirements that it may have. So again, just ask yourself, is this something I'm going to actually wear or I'm actually going to use? And if you can't say for sure, don't pack it. Instead, leave that room in your suitcase for any souvenirs that you find along the way that you just have to have. All right, well, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, let's give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.